So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is me Farhan Khan. You are watching Let's Speak. Today once again standing before you. As you know, at the time I'm at home, so I feel so good. And for last some time, I study a lot for my education, and I also learn lots about. I also learn a lots of things about English, about communication, about my academic course, about my future. I learn lots of things when I went in a city for 2 months, 3 months. That time I realized, like, uh, before going there, I just think about to only get how somehow I can get I can grab the government job. But no, when I went in city, I realized there is lots of vacancy. There is lots of field you can go and get a job and get salary according to your skill. That's why I determine whether I have to become English speaker, and I teach as doesn't matter. It can be private school, it can be government school, but I have to teach them because I don't want to that person who studying now a time in a government school or private school suffer after their education like I suffered. No, no, because I teach at that way. Both are, they can complete, they can clear, they can crack their exam, and as well they can communicate with people, not for only focus to only crack the exam. Like we are doing, we study a lot 1 to 12 and till graduation, but even then we cannot communicate, but we can pass as an our, and we can clear our exam. This is very difficult. That the thing is very different. Our education system is very different. But I realized no, no, I have to do something. And there are many kind of you can say many kind of activity, many kind of skills. With the help of you can communicate, we can enhance your communication skill. So as you know, we are our main motive to make videos just because to get fluency, because you know very well I'm a student, not trainer, not teacher. So that's why I always make lots of videos, which is sometimes it helps someone. Maybe there are I know I'm not saying watch only my video, no, no, because nowadays in a YouTube, in a Google, a very kind of hundred to thousands of channels available, and as well their videos. So you can watch any video. Your motive should be to learn English, to enhance English with the help of our tips and tricks, because we can no, we can only suggest you it, but you should have to follow, you should have to implement their tips and tricks to enhance, to increase your English knowledge and English communication skill as well. Last time I watched a movie. When you watch any movie, after some time you should explain in your own language with the help of mirror, with the help of camera, because it's very good. Because when you watch movie, the story automatically you can know about, you can explain so easily, because recently you watched, so that's why. So I watched Deadpool. No, I love Hollywood movies. In that movies, Wolverine and Deadpool, they are firstly they are using fight each other, and after some time they go in other planet where a bald girl. I think she was a villain in that movie. So that in on that movie they are fighting each other. Lots of issues create over there, and there are lots of Deadpool's girls, boys, and personification of Deadpool's. But while fighting, they realize no, we have to stick together. We have to together and fight that girl. And definitely, they just they attack on that girl. So you can say their area, and there is I think helmet. If on that in that video, if helmet if they can succeed to wear helmet and on that girl's head, they at the time she was not so powerful. They were succeed, but unfortunately, Wolverine, I think, yeah, Wolverine said no, remove this suit, because if her brother is still alive, definitely he will be do same. So he would be doing done. He would be do same. He does. Yeah, he does also same. So that's why they remove, and she also at the time she was she pity on them, and she you can say she didn't punish them, and after some time they again meet each other, because there is a machine. If she hand over that machine, definitely she will be the king of universe. Become She will become the king of universe. So that's why Deadpool and Wolverine, with the help of doctor who has invented this machine, he said, if you are want, if you wanted, if you want to, if you wanted to stop that machine, so you should be. There was a two wire, one yellow and one blue. So you should be plug both. You should be plug both wire and attach with them, because it creates a short circuit. With the help of short circuit, this machine can be stopped. But there is a condition. There is a very risky, because if anyone he do that thing, like catching both a wire and mixing it together, it will be very dangerous for him, and maybe he can not, maybe 100% that person killed for permanently. As you know, Deadpool cannot die in this movie, but this is the very that wire is very, I think, very strong and very unique. So Wolverine and Deadpool both are wanted to go there, because Wolverine said, I have to go. This I have to go. I should go. You should go." So by mistakenly, Wolverine just about to enter the room. Suddenly, Deadpool hit on their mouth, his mouth, and enter himself. So he said bye and all, like some at that time. So movies become so emotional, so sensitive, sentiment. He tried to pull one wire and just about to catch yellow wire. Suddenly, Wolverine also came in the band, and both are grab one wire. Wolverine grab, and one Deadpool, and that just because of that, with the help of that, the machine will destroy. And girls, bald girls, she was she was in that movie. She was become a villain, so she died. But unfortunately, they are safe just because of they are 2%. If they that doctor say, if 1% did it, definitely uh, that died. But at the time, both are together, so both are live. So it's a good. I love that movies. And these, do you think, like, if you do together anything, that definitely it will be work, and it will be good for for you. So there is a lots. That was the story of movie. I love that movie. And after that, they came to their home. Red Bull have, I think, 8 to 9 friends. He called their universe, their world. He loves a lot with them. And among of them, there is a blind lady. Yeah, I think she's a room owner there, where they stay, apartment owner. Wolverine also came there. They celebrate gala time over there, and after that, movies end. I love that movie. So friend, if it's getting azan, and while azan, it's not good to speak and do anything, or it's my so if with the help of that, you can make your own story. And when you make a story, definitely you recall your all vocabulary, whatever you studied in before some time ago, definitely. So I just I'm not telling, I didn't tell all story that way. I just show you demo with the help of that kind of film. Definitely, we do, if you watch any story, any movies, any serial, something you will get in your mind. And experience that thing, whatever you get in a mind, that story you can, because you watch, you study a lot in the syllabus, you can forget. But if you watch movie, if you watch any series, any serial, definitely you will not forget, so you can speak more and more. And last time I also learn about that consistency very at all. In the study I didn't find didn't get find time, because I was just traveling a lot in whole day, 10 to 6 o'clock I just only traveling, I feel so tired. 1 or 2 hours is good for traveling, but when traveling become 3 hour, 4 hour, 5, 6, oh my god. And I was in bus, so that's why I cannot stretch my leg, I can't lay down over there. But in train there is a in train you can sleep as well, you can stretch your leg. Sorry. In city the weather is so not so cool, it's normal, but in a village, as when I came study, when I came here, I feel so cool, and my whole room is so cool. So it's just for, I think I have to, as I'm feeling cold and sneezing. Let it be, it's a natural environment change. uh, so I said, speak. Doesn't matter what people think or what your friends will speak, because when I was coming here, Lucknow to here, I was thinking in a whole lot of time in a bus, if I am going home, but anywhere in 5 minutes there is no person, there is no my friend who is speak English. What I will do, what I will do. But that time I realized, no, you come alone in a world. No one can support you. It's your fight. Doesn't matter it's learning thing or doing anything in your life. It's only your fight. You have to be fight with yourself. No one can support. And that time I realized, don't worry, it doesn't matter. I have lots of viewers. They can, with the help of that, I can communicate with him. Sometimes, if I get any, and I also think if I get a mistake, who rectify me? That realize, no worry. My reviewers also have very good knowledge. They can rectify me, and with the help of, I can improve. So now I'm not worried about the frame, because I know you are here. You can rectify it, and sometime I rectify your if you did any mistake in your English. Again, I'm sorry. The I'm sitting in the just because next door. Okay, friends, I can't control my sneezing. I think I have to take some steam. I don't want to escape my day to speaking, so that's why I want to make a video. And I just made a video. So let's connect it. See you tomorrow in next video.